Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to upload image to Discord. First, open your Discord app, select a chat. Now click on the plus sign in the chat box and click on the Upload a File option. After this, select the desired image and click Open. In Discord, you can edit the image if you need to. Press Enter 2 or 3 times to send this image in the chat. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.